Hi everyone, today I'm here again. I'm going to show you another trick of downloading videos on Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube. So the last time I did a video on how to download YouTube or Facebook videos with an app on Google Play and also on App Store. Today, this trick works on both sides. You just need a browser. So I'm going to take you through these amazing steps of downloading Facebook videos and Instagram videos, even TikTok video without any app. So if you are ready, follow me. Let's go. Let me show you how it is done, step by step. To start the process, look for your social media app. If it is Facebook, tap on it. Look for a video or a video you want to download. Let's go to watch here. For instance, if I want to download this video, I just tap on the share button here. You can see share button here, share it, and go down. Look on your left side, there is group and there is copy link. Okay, tap on copy link. Okay, now look for a browser. I have Chrome here. You can use Chrome or any other browser you have. Tap on Chrome. Okay, go look for save from. You can see it here. Tap on it and tap on the first one here, save from .net. Okay, paste the link you copied from Facebook, paste it here. Okay, wait for 50 seconds. Okay, it is here. You can see download here. You can choose any format you want. You see, we have HD, we have SD. Choose the format you want and tap on download. Okay, tap on download. You can see download down here. Scroll down, you can see it here. Okay, tap on it. Less than a minute it will finish downloading, depending on your internet, the speed of your internet. So it is done here. Okay, let me open it and save it anywhere on my phone, or I can share it straight on WhatsApp or even Facebook. You can share it, or even on Instagram, email, anywhere you can share it, on TikTok, on Telegram, or you have more here. You can also choose wherever you want to share it. Okay, me, I want to save it to my file. So okay, save, tap on it. If you are using iPhone, you know what I mean. You can also get the same thing if you are using any other phone. Okay, tap on save. You can see I have that same video, so that's why it is saying replace. Okay, let me replace it for purposes of this tutorial. Let me replace it. So okay, I have it. So let me go back and let me show you how the video I just downloaded. Okay, I have file here. Okay, this is the video here. You can see the video here. I've already downloaded. This is the video. Okay,
my
if you
people,
don't believe, let me go back.
things they happen for Ghana.
The video from Facebook. Sorry, the video from Facebook. Okay, this is the video here. The full video is here. I have it on my file. Okay, let me go back and show you the video from Facebook. Okay, this is the video. You can see.
How long have you been here?
I've been in prison for 13 years. I came to prison when I was 19 years old.
What brought you into prison?
It was a suspect murder. They suspected me of killing my own grandmother, which is not true.
Did you do?
All
They
this
will bring him back. So we.
Let me show it to you again, so you know it is real. Okay, you can see all the 9 minutes was downloaded. So If you are still watching, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you are not. Also leave a comment. Thank you. And if the video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe or follow us, and also leave a comment. It will be helpful to us. Thank you very much. Bye.